Good day everyone. As you can see, I am in the kitchen because I'm going to bake chocolate chip cookies. This is my first time to do this for my husband and my daughter. So let's start. Here are the ingredients. First, you need to have 2 sticks of butter. We are using, or I am going to use, the plant butter, but regular butter is fine. 1/2 cup of refined or white sugar. A cup of brown sugar packed like this. 2 large eggs. 1 teaspoon of vanilla, a teaspoon of salt, as well as a teaspoon of baking soda. Then, if that is all set, we will go to our flour. This is 2 1/4 cups of flour and a pack of chocolate chips. Yes. So, all the ingredients are ready. We will now have our tools. A small mixer, a medium-sized bowl, and spatula. Now we are ready to mix all our ingredients. Are you ready? Let's go! First, you're going to put the butter on the bowl. You need to use your spatula. Just set this into 1 so it won't be too fast. So like... Next to this, add your eggs. Then, we added our 1/2 cup of refined sugar or white sugar. Then, we will also add our 1 cup brown sugar, the packed one. This one. Next is our vanilla extract. That's 1 teaspoon. We are done with the first mixture. Let's move on to our flour. So remember, we have this 1 teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of baking soda. Let's mix all of them together in the flour. Then mix them together before putting this on the mixture we have there. Then we will put this mixture here. Then try to mix them with spatula first to make them evenly mixed before using the electric mixer. Now, why don't we use the mixer, the electric mixer? So that all the powder will be mixed with the wet mixture. Because if you use the electric mixer, all the powder will scatter. Make sure to preheat the oven. As you can see, this is 350. Now you are going to add your chocolate chips. When you buy your chocolate chips, make sure that that is semi-sweet. You have a lot of sugar already, so you don't need the sweetest chocolates anymore. This is ready. You may also add pecans or walnuts, whatever or anything you like. So it depends on your choice. So I'm going to add this there. All of this. So chocolatey. Here. This is just 340 grams. So now I am mixing the chocolate chips. This is my first time, so I know this doesn't look good probably. It's obvious that I don't know how to mix. But I just want to make this for my husband and my daughter. I want them to try my version of chocolate chip cookies. This is now ready. We are now ready to put our cookies on the pan. Now we don't need parchment papers here since we are using the non-stick pans. This is 1 tablespoon. So make sure you have enough space from one cookie to the other. Now, everything is set. We have 2 pans here and we still have the mixture on the bowl. We are now ready to put these 2 pans inside the preheated oven. We are going to bake this for 12 minutes. Now the cookies are ready. Here, not bad for being a first timer. We are now ready to scoop each cookie and put it on the cooling rack. Here. They look nice, right? And pretty. Do you want some? Just comment down below if you need some. Yes. Here are the cookies I have just baked. My daughter has already tried one and she said it tastes great. Let me know if you want some. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you for watching.